Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Denmalo Tutorials. In this video, we're going to talk about the multiple bar chart, which is also known as the grouped or a clustered bar chart. So a multiple bar chart is the one which is being used for comparing data of two categorical variables, where the first variable forms the main categories, which are being divided into groups of distinct multiple bars, and then those groups have got subcategories inside them, which are representing for the second variable. For instance, in this example, we are seeing that we are having two categories, which are college and students. And college is being divided, or the college is forming three main categories, which is the college A, B, and C. And we are seeing that these main categories, we can divide them into three groups. So let's divide them. So this one, now we have make it group 1, and then another one group 2, and lastly group 3. And in each group we are seeing that we are having two bars, and then each bar is representing the second variable, which is a student. So in each group we are having a subcategory, and this subcategory is representing for the second variable, where each bar here, this one is representing for the past students, and then this one is represented for the students who have been appeared. So all these twos are representing the second variable, which is students. So this is how this thing works. So we have to notice that within a group where we are having two categories, these two categories are given with different colors, and they are having the same colors between the group, so as to give a comparison of the categories between the groups. For example, here, if we need to see the number of students we have got passed in college A, B, C, we can actually look on the black, on the red color, on the red color for the ones we've passed, and then for the ones we've appeared, we'll look on the black color. So that's why we use we usually use the different colors within the group, and then we use the same color between the groups. And then there's another thing that now we are just saying we are having the first category variable and the second category variable. So how do we determine that this one is the first category variable and then the other is the second category variable from a given data? Like here we are given a data, the college names, and then the number of students here. So for you to go to determine for the first category variable and the second category variable, you have to consider the following factors. We're just having two factors. The first factor we have to consider if there is an imperial data, which is on imperial data we are having data like month. Yes, if we are having this data which you have got already natural order, and you've got and it shows the trends over a period of time. If you are having a data like this, we usually take that variable as the first variable, and we are seeing that the first variable is the one which is being plotted here on the horizontal axis. And then the other step is that you check on the variables. If you see that there is no imperial data, like here, we are seeing that we are just having the college and the number of students. We are not having this type of data. So it means we have to consider another factor, which is the number of levels. You check which one is having more levels. Like here, you come here on the college, you check on the variable college, you check how many levels does the college have. It's just having 1, 2, 3 levels. And then the students, how many levels do they have? They just have 1, 2. So it means the one which is having more levels is the one which you're going to take as the first variable. Like here, we have take college as our first variable because it's the one which is having more levels, and the students, we have take them as the second variable. Because if you take the one which is having more levels as the horizontal axis, it is going to be something clutter. The graph is going to be clutter. It's going to have more graphs here, and then it's not going to actually show the clarity and giving something which is readable. So mostly we have to consider these factors on for you to choose the first variable and the second variable. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.